Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all an Amazon haul. You guys know it's my birthday week and I got a couple of Amazon vouchers to shop from. So here I've actually picked up quite limited items. Few of them are like new launches and some of them that I really wanted to, update my vanity with. So now without further ado, let's get started. Also guys, I'll be linking these products below because I found some great deals on Amazon because of the sale going on right now, so you guys can go ahead and check it out. I'm gonna go in no particular order and just pick up like any random thing that I have laid over here. I don't have a lot of things, but yeah. So let's start off with this hand cream that I really wanted since a long time, and this is something that you do not get here in India, but on Amazon you can find it easily and at a really good offer. I think I bought it for 350 rupees. This one is the Vaseline Healthy Hands Stronger Nails Keratin Hand Cream. It's basic, it's simple, but it's really hydrating and nice. In between, okay, my nail barrier was so disrupted because I had gotten gel nails done just twice and then I stopped doing it, and then this is something that really worked well for me. It's difficult to find here. You can always find it on Amazon, so do give it a try. It's a lightweight moisturizer but gets absorbed quickly, leaves your hand beautiful and soft. And also because of tanning a lot, I've been scrubbing my hands and trying to get rid of the tan, so it kind of makes my hands really dry. That's when this comes in really helpful. So yeah, this one from Vaseline is really good and underrated. I wish that these brands come out with these good products in India and not just keep it for the US and UK. But yeah, this is a really nice product and it's very affordable if you buy it from like US or UK because it's hardly $2 there, but over here you have to pay around $3.50. The next two items that I have are actually new launches from Aqualogica. This one is the Aqualogica Glow Plus Wipe It All Hydrating Cleansing Balm. I recently finished off my rice water cleansing oil from the Face Shop and I just want to complete like my micellar waters and all, but then when I saw this I was like, okay Mani, let's just get this, and also it was really affordable. It's a cream based cleansing balm, as you can see. Really excited to try this. I've used it once, but I was wearing like just sunscreen and kajal, nothing else, so I can't really say how effective this is. I'll have to try it out, but yeah, seems promising and also it's pretty affordable, so if this works out I am definitely gonna repurchase, and the packaging is also really cute. The next item was something that I was so excited about. If you guys follow me, you all know how much I love, like I literally feel to bathe in vanilla, and this one is the Aqualogica's Refresh Plus Sunkissed Vanilla Perfume Body Mist. Again, it's a new launch. So when I saw this, they have like a fresh strawberry aquatic one and a citrus one, so I picked up this one, the vanilla one, of course. The packaging is so freaking similar to the Sol de Janeiro one. Of course I have the Sol de Janeiro one, but this one is like a dupe of that, although it's a little bit more bigger. Now I tried this out. I got the Sunkissed Vanilla, and first of all, the very first sniff that I had is that this is a dupe of Plum Vanilla Vibes. Like it's the legit copy. There is no difference. Like it's copy paste same of the Plum Vanilla Vibes, and this is so alcohol-y. It's loaded up with alcohol, okay? Even if I spray it, okay, the first sniff is only alcohol. Once it kind of settles down, it settles down into the Plum Vanilla Vibes. They have not done anything new. They've like just literally pasted the same fragrance note. I was hoping that, like the packaging, it'll smell something luxurious like the Sol de Janeiro one, but this was a waste of money. It is affordable. It's hardly for 349 rupees. The MRP is 499, but you always find it like at discounts. I think you should pick up some other variant and not this vanilla one, because this was really disappointing. Now I'll have to use it either as like my room freshener or like a scent that I would wear in gym, but yeah, it was really disappointing. I had such high expectations, but this is one time Aqualogica disappointed me. Although I've heard good reviews about the strawberry variant, let's see, but the vanilla one was sad. Yeah, but if you're looking for like the exact same thing of Plum Vanilla Vibes, you can get this. Then I got 2 of these moisturizers because I really needed moisturizers. I'm so out of moisturizers. Right now I'm using the CeraVe one, which review I will be sharing pretty soon. So I have got 2 of these moisturizers from the Formula RX. Now the first one that I have is the Formula RX Hydra Veil Gel Moisturizer, which is the Malaysia one. This is more like a lightweight summer moisturizer that I can use in the daytime. I have tried it out. It is pretty good. And the other one that I got is the Formula RX Barrier Relief Hydrolite Ultralight Moisturizer. Now I have tried out the Barrier Relief Ceramide Moisturizer from the Formula RX, which didn't really suit me that well. So, because it was a bit comedogenic, it was extremely thick. This one is lightweight. I've tried it out and I'm hoping that it suits well. Although I really like such aluminum sort of a packaging because it's so nicer and more convenient. Tube form packaging. So let's see. I hope these two work out well because they are affordable, and I'm hoping that this is like a dupe of Clinique because I love Clinique so much, but it's extremely expensive. And right now I'm on a budget. So yeah, hoping that these two work. High expectations. The next thing that I stocked up on was my Dove body wash. This one is the Dove Lavender X Chamomile Dove Go Fresh Shower Gel. So I just emptied out my Bath & Body Works shower gel, which you will see in my next month's empties. And yeah, I needed another one. I'd got the Nykaa shower gel, but my brother took it, and now I was like, okay Himani, which one do you get? Now Bath & Body Works was running a buy one get one offer, but then I was like, you know what, let's go for the affordable option and also something that's really soothing and calming. So I picked up this one. I usually go for their vanilla one, which is like cocoa butter, which my mother loves. I keep on buying it for her like every 2 months. But this time when I saw the lavender one, I was like, Himani, let's just try this, and I really need to calm. So yeah, I picked up this one, and this is going to be my body wash for the next 2 months easily. It lasts me that long. So yeah, of course, the classic Dove. The last 2 items are a bit of investment. These are for my hair. I recently got a haircut and I really wanted to invest in my hair to kind of take care of it. So 2 of the items are solely hair related. The first one is a new launch from the Dermaco. It's their 20% active peptide stem cell hair growth serum, which is kind of similar to the Bond Repair serum. I haven't tried it out. You will probably see a video of this in one of my upcoming videos, but yeah, this is how the packaging is, and I'm really excited to try it out. Anything with respect to hair growth or like just making it smoother and softer, I'm all about that. The second hair related item that I purchased was so out of budget, it was just getting too much, and then I was like, okay Himani, just forget it, invest it once and all and try it out. And I had watched like hundreds of reviews. I finally got Olaplex. Olaplex has been raved about so much, and I always wanted to try it out, but I was like, it's too much. 3,000 rupees for a shampoo bottle is too much. They do have a small variant, 100 ml one, which is for like 1,500 rupees, but then I was so skeptical to buy it, but finally bought this kit. You can easily find it on Amazon, you can find it on other apps as well. So I got the very famous Olaplex number 4 shampoo, number 5 conditioner. So these are the 2 Olaplex things that I bought. This one is the number 5 Bond Maintenance conditioner, and this one is the number 4 Bond Maintenance shampoo. These cost 6,300 rupees individually, which is kind of, these together cost 6,000 rupees, which is kind of crazy. And I have tried it out, guys, already. I couldn't wait. Like the next day I received this parcel, I tried it out. First of all, you really need less quantity. I do agree on that. So I think this bottle is going to last me for good 3 months or probably even more, because I mean, it's huge, okay, compared to any other. And this one, again, you need very limited quantity. You don't need a lot. The shampoo lathers up really well, I must say. So both of these Olaplex, okay, these are like your basic shampoo and conditioner, but of course with respect to damaged hair and bond maintenance, I didn't buy any of their those serums sort of thing, but I did buy these. They are so good. From the very first wash, I've noticed the difference. I get the hype, basic packaging, but the product is so like it's worth the hype. And if you are planning to invest in this, please do. Really love this. So with this kit, okay, I got to try out their number 3, which is the Olaplex hair perfector number 3, which kind of repairs hair. And I think I was watching one of the review videos, and this is one of the most favorite products of most of the people. In fact, even the Olaplex founder, she prefers this over any of her products. So this one is like a leave-on conditioner sort of thing that you apply before shower, and then once you leave it on for an hour, then you use the shampoo and conditioner. I haven't tried this out yet. I'll probably do it next week. Let's see. Yeah, but this is a mini version which costs 1500 or 2000 rupees. Even this is expensive. But yeah, this is the one-time investment that I did for my hair, and I'm really hoping that it works out. The last item that I got is Johnson's Baby Powder. So if you watch my one of the last videos, I mentioned that I love the Forest Essentials powder, but they have increased the price to 899 rupees, which is too much, and I go through that entire bottle of 100 gram in a month. So I invested in the Johnson's Baby one. This is their revamped version with cornstarch, and this is the 400 gram tub that costs just 200 rupees, and it's going to last me for 2 months, 3 months. And yeah, so I am of course going to purchase my Forest Essentials powder, but I'm not going to use it as that often that I would, because then it'll become too expensive for a daily use product. So that's there. But yeah, I did get this one. So guys, that was my quick Amazon haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will be leaving all the links below. Do check it out, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.